To replace a faulty number plate light on the Mazda 6 GH model, you will need a new pair of 12 volt, 5 watt T10 wedge type bulbs. Replacing is quite easy. You just need a flathead screwdriver. You put the screwdriver between the lens and the black plastic plate at the back there and gently lever, and the lens will just pop off. Just like that. Up inside you will find the T10 bulb. Just reach up, grab it with your fingers and pull straight down, and it will come out. Just like that. You get your new T10 bulb and you just go straight in. Make sure the wedge is this way. Straight in with the vehicle and push it up into the socket. It should click when it's snugly in. And then the lens, I won't bother cleaning it. Angled shape towards outside. Rear clips in first, and that's it. The bulb has been replaced.
Have you ever noticed that every YouTuber that constantly begs for subscribers are ones that you wouldn't want to subscribe to?